Alright, new problem. We need to get a locking device on this pinch bolt here, this Allen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole right through the base of the Allen, all the way through the fork tube, and put a cotter key in there. So I'm just going to go in there at an angle and go straight through. So it doesn't really matter what size bit goes in it, as long as we get something that goes through it. So what we got in a 100 thou here? That's a bunch of bits. This is 101. That looks good enough to me. So I'm going to basically drill right through here, wherever I can get to go. And it's going to come out the back side way over there someplace. Don't really care where it comes out. And I made sure this is very, very tight, so I can take it back off again and come back to the same location again. Same thing I did on my rear axle nut, basically. Let's see how good this thing drills. Good way to break drills off. It's not drilling with a shocker. Yeah, hardened bolt. They don't like to drill. I'm shocked. Hasn't done anything yet. Barely. It's making a mark. Bike movement makes drill bits break too, in case you didn't know. Okay. It looks like it made a mark. That drill is not cutting anymore. Not that it was cutting to begin with. Yeah, it's pretty well dull. I'll just sharpen it. We'll be back. Alright, I just sharpened my bit here. We'll see how good I am. Still a soft drill, so I'm not expecting much. Never know. It might work. It might not. Making chips. Stop making chips. It's making chips for a little bit. Then it quit. break it yet. Push harder, made it work better. I think I'm going out the other side now. Oh yeah. Now we're in the aluminum. Gotta get a little oil on it now. A little bit of time. Aluminum likes to gull up, so don't push it. It came out the other side. It's a good sign. Appears to have a hole in it. Okay, I got a cotter key. Where'd I hide those? In here, I hope. Not that door. That looks better. That might work. It's long enough. Maybe not. There you go. Barely fits in there. It's alright. Barely's good enough. Inspectors don't give a squat about anything else. Alright, pull it in, pull it around. You can see it's in there. To separate. Oh, maybe that's why. Going the wrong direction. Alright, good as new. They'll be happy. Okay, it's inside the hole. It's got a 90-degree bend to it on this side. I don't think you can really see it, but this one goes this way, the other one goes straight that back. This one goes straight up, 90 degrees, can't come out. It's inside the bolt, bolt can't unscrew. Can't see it. It's out of the way. They'll be happy. Alright. The drill bit lived to be another day. I'm sure it's not happy though. But it went through. Alright, that's it.